Hello guys, have you ever want to test a code before downloading it to your PC to create an app or website locally? If so, you're lucky. In this video, I'll show you free online code editor that lets you write, test, and share HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code snippets. With this free website, you can try out different code snippets before downloading them to your PC. You can also use it to learn new web technology, create demos, and collaborate with other developers. By the end of this video, you will be able to test any code snippet that you find online or create yourself. So if you're ready to take your web development skills to the next level, watch this video and learn how. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Okay, let's dive in. The website that we are going to use is called codepen.io. Codepen.io, it looks like this. And you can change the layout, and you click here. Then you click this one, so you have this layout where you have HTML, CSS, and JS, or you can have this layout here. So this white press here is where we get our feedback or we get our result. So let's have this one here, and if you log in the system, you can have the option to download the zip code of all this code that have been generated here. So whatever you type here, you see the result here. So for example, let's go to ChatGPT and try. Let's go to ChatGPT and write something like create simple scientific calculator. With separate file HTML, CSS, and JS. So let's run this code here. Then we see. See, we have HTML file, we have CSS file, and we have JS file. So let's go to HTML. Then we copy this code here. Then you go to create a new pen. So let's paste our code here. Okay. Then let's go back to ChatGPT. Then we copy this code here. You see the HTML code, the result are this one. So let's go to CSS. Then we paste our code here. Then we see. Oh, so you can see our calculator. So, and we need some JS code so it can function well. So you see, if I try to click or to insert anything, it is not working. So we need some JavaScript code to activate this one. So let's go back to ChatGPT. Then so let's copy this one and go to here. Then we see, wait a little bit for this one to work. Okay, so fine. So now you can see when we typed S7 when plus 78, guys, you see we can have a result. If this is what you need, guys, you can use this HTML. You can download it to your PC and do your project or code your website locally in your PC. Okay, so before you go to other editor like Notepad, like Visual Studio Code, so guys, you can use this online free tool called pen.io. This free tool, then you test your code before you download it, or before you download it to your PC. So guys, this is the website that I want to share with you today. So hope that you enjoyed this one, and please, before you leave, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, share.
We're going to return to return. We're ready to return.